My name is Kartik Chandran. I'm a professor of environmental engineering at Columbia University. Today as a society we are faced with just global shortages in terms of access to clean water, access to sanitation, access to energy. It's perhaps not just about lack of money any longer, it's just reliable access. Sustainable clean water can be achieved by just ignoring water for a moment, and when we start talking about these waste streams, which are to me, they are actually enriched streams. They are enriched in chemicals, they are enriched in nutrients, they are enriched in energy, and by the way, they also contain water. And that's the mindset that we now have. Now when we start looking at these issues, these challenges with this mindset, now we focus on extracting energy, extracting chemicals, extracting nutrients, and the byproduct is clean water. And this is very powerful because now this allows us to connect directly to the energy sector, to the chemical sector, and to the food sector as well. Essentially what we are doing today as a society is we're making lipids. Lipids are again, we know them as fats, for instance. We are basically decimating the world's rainforests to produce fats, and fats are just everywhere. That we need fats for chemical synthesis, for pharmaceuticals, for materials, and so on. And really, that's what we are doing. We're decimating the world's rainforests to end up with lipids. And we have Carbocycle has a solution here. We are converting waste organic streams, including food waste and all sorts of organic waste. And it's a very, very flexible platform. We can take just about any organic stream and convert them to lipids. And this is completely disrupting the model of growing food crops to produce lipids. Here again we are looking for partners. And again, just to kind of focus what this is, it's technologies that can be scaled up and put into place in water companies around the world. So this could again be in the form of partnerships, licenses. And so for Carbocycle then, we have some funding, the group led again by Shashwat Vajpayee, who's leading this effort. They came in first at the Columbia Venture Competition in 2016. And so Carbocycle is looking for partnerships in terms of scaling this up, piloting this and scaling it up really, finding end users for lipids, end users for palm oil, not derived from palm trees, but from other organics. And so there could be industrial partners who use lipids. So this could be the pharmaceutical, the chemical industry, could be materials manufacturers that need lipids for coating. So we are looking for funding and partnerships for Carbocycle. The production of lipids in terms of timeline, the proof of concept is there. It's been very successful. In fact, our production cost of converting food waste to biodiesel is 71 cents per liter, and without any optimization. So we can break even right now, even in this climate. And so with optimization, of course, this is only going to get better. And so right now we are looking to scale up this process. So we are talking really near term. We do cutting-edge research in terms of developing and applying biological technologies for different end objectives. But we also have a very nice ecosystem that fosters not just technology-based growth and development of researchers, students, postdocs, but we always have a mind towards application and implementation of these technologies, and that's where entrepreneurship also comes in. So we have a really nice group that focuses on these topics that span these seeming extremes, and I think that's also a very positive aspect of the group or team that we have currently.